Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. As Bitcoin continues its consolidation phase and the market takes a breather from its recent turbulence, a critical yet understated metric is quietly signaling what could be a seismic shift: Bitcoin dominance. And if historical precedent is any indicator, we might just be standing on the brink of an explosive alt season. To understand the gravity of this signal, let us step back and examine the Bitcoin dominance chart through a macro lens. On the monthly time frame, a strikingly consistent pattern comes into view when we highlight the Decembers of Bitcoin halving years: 2016, 2020, and now 2024. Each halving December seems to serve as a turning point. Bitcoin dominance begins a precipitous decline, followed by an extended 13-month downtrend. These periods have historically coincided with a renaissance in the altcoin market, where altcoins not only outperform Bitcoin, but often deliver life-changing returns for early adopters. Consider December 2016. Bitcoin dominance, which had hovered at elevated levels, began its descent, eventually bottoming out near 37%. This period marked the infamous ICO boom, a time when projects like Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin transformed the crypto landscape, achieving astronomical growth. Fast forward to December 2020, and a similar story unfolded. Bitcoin dominance plunged from 70% to under 40%, igniting a new era led by altcoins such as Solana, Cardano, and Binance Coin. These projects rode the waves of the DeFi revolution and the NFT craze, capturing global attention and reshaping the market. Now we find ourselves in December 2024. If this cyclical pattern holds, we could be on the cusp of yet another alt season, one that may stretch well into January 2026. Bitcoin dominance, currently sitting around 50%, has the potential to revisit the 40% range, or even lower, unlocking new opportunities for altcoin enthusiasts. But why does this phenomenon occur so predictably? The answer lies in capital rotation, a fundamental dynamic of the crypto market. Bitcoin often acts as the vanguard of a bull market, attracting fresh inflows of capital and setting the tone for the broader space. As Bitcoin matures and its price growth stabilizes, that capital begins to migrate toward altcoins. These assets, with their higher risk-reward profiles, entice investors looking to maximize returns. The result is a feedback loop. Profits taken from Bitcoin are funneled into altcoins, driving their valuations higher and further diminishing Bitcoin's dominance. However, before getting swept up in the excitement, a word of caution is essential. Markets are anything but predictable. Historical patterns, while compelling, are not guarantees. External forces such as macroeconomic shifts, regulatory announcements, and sudden shifts in market sentiment can disrupt even the most well-established trends. Yet if history rhymes, as it so often does, this could represent one of the most lucrative opportunities for altcoin investors in the coming years. So how can you strategically position yourself? First, monitor Bitcoin dominance with a critical eye. A sustained downtrend could signal the start of a capital rotation. Next, prioritize altcoins that demonstrate robust fundamentals, consistent development, and tangible real-world applications. While speculative plays can deliver eye-popping returns, they also come with a commensurate level of risk. Lastly, never underestimate the importance of diversification and risk management. The altcoin market is a minefield of volatility, and while the rewards can be extraordinary, so too can the losses for the unprepared. With Bitcoin dominance at a pivotal juncture, the pieces are falling into place for a potential paradigm shift. Whether you are a seasoned market participant or just dipping your toes into the crypto waters, this is your moment to research, strategize, and act. The opportunities are immense, but so are the challenges. If you are eager to explore this potential alt season further, join my free Discord, where we dive into market analysis and uncover promising altcoin opportunities. And before you go, remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay ahead of the game. Together, we will navigate this market and seize the opportunities it presents. And see you in the next one.